Hey guys, well that's me on. This is my favorite channel, this will be my favorite channel ever. Okay, so we're here if you look at Daisy, I'll show you the awesome thing. I just typed in Daisy, I'll show Daisy. You guys can watch it. And Shazak, that's how they live here. This is all this is a book. Yeah, well, I got a real wrestler and that's everything.